beautiful people, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope viewers. It is a unique new always videos and best hand videos and best hand embroidery designs and unique new hand embroidery designs ideas with border designs ideas self flowers. Latest and unique new outstanding best videos and best unique new cross stitch hand embroidery and silk hand embroidery design, third embroidery designs ideas to my channel. So till the next video guys, thank you for watching my all videos and unique new more than hundreds of new designs ideas, latest and unique new outstanding and stylish best hand embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, 2020 upcoming and unique new fancy embroidery, modern and attractive and unique new art collections and best patterns in unique new stylish fancy hand embroidery designs and looking so gorgeous, most beautiful stylish unique new silk embroidery designs ideas to my channel. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos and latest and unique new all fancy hand embroidery designs and unique new all best patterns and stylish third hand embroidery designs, color contrast and unique new all fancy embroidery videos and latest unique new all best patterns and stylish fancy hand embroidery designs ideas on my channel. Videos in 2020 upcoming and unique new art patterns. So guys, for watching my art videos and latest unique new outstanding videos and latest unique new art stylish hand embroidery designs and unique new art 2020 upcoming and unique new art collections and best pattern. Till the next video guys, and how much beautiful and unique new art fancy hand embroidery designs, silk embroidery designs ideas and latest and unique new art collections and stylish best collections and unique new art fancy embroideries. Till the next video guys, and for watching my art videos, latest and unique new art fancy hand embroidery designs, silk embroidery, ribbon embroidery, latest unique new amazing collection 2023 upcoming and unique new all fancy hand embroidery designs ideas, modern unique new all collections and stylish best and unique new fancy hand embroidery designs. So till the next video guys, and for watching my all videos, latest and unique and most beautiful 2023 upcoming and unique new all best videos and best fancy silk ribbon hand embroidery designs and unique new all best videos. So till the next video guys, and latest and unique new outstanding and stylish best hand embroidery designs ideas. So till the next video guys, for watching my all videos and how much beautiful unique new all collections and stylish best silk ribbon embroidery designs and more than hundreds of new designs ideas. So till the next video, see you soon guys. Allah Hafiz.